Start with down dog. Rotate upper arm out, then right leg forward, right hip back, then hook with your left foot with your elbow, open chest forward and up, center sternum up, upper arm rotate out, move the floating right, slightly right hip back, left hip forward, and then exhale, press hands down, chaturanga, up dog, open chest, down dog, upper arm out, inner crunch back, and left leg forward, hook your right foot, try to move right side of the trunk forward, left outer crunch back, sternum up, open chest, try to shift weight on the left bottom bone, left inner knee forward, exhale, hands down, chaturanga, up dog, roll shoulders back, center sternum forward, exhale, down dog, lift inner groins, kneecaps up, and chaturanga down, press the ankles, knees hip wide, open chest, Rumalia Tristi, look up, between the eyebrows, cervical 7 is moving down, center sternum moving forward and up, buttock bones towards the back of the knees, exhale, come down, open chest, forward and up, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana, lift inner groins, side slow, inhale, exhale, go down, then interlace the fingers behind the back, lift the front thighs up, legs up, look up, upper arm rotate out, try to separate the shoulder blades, sternum up, inner heels moving back, breathe to the sides, strong inhalations, exhale down, inhale, open chest, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana, lift groins, inner knees slightly up, outer heels down, and then jump on your knees, front thighs, knees hip wide, front thigh rotating in, and then hands on the heels, center sternum up, strong inhalations, move the buttock bones towards the back of the knees, front shin down, and then front side of the pelvis slightly up, inhale, hands on the hips, come up, exhale, chaturanga, up dog, open chest, roll shoulders back, keep elbows in, and Bhujangasana, inner corner of the buttock bone towards the outer heel, spine is moving up, floating ribs in towards the spine, inner upper shoulder blade slightly out, exhale, down dog, and inhale, jump forward, and then Savasana, open palms, relax shoulders,